So we all know how tough it can be trying to grow online with all these platform opportunities and ideas flying around. It gets really overwhelming really fast, guys. So to be honest, I felt the same way for a very long time. Things weren't just clear until I discovered a completely free game-changing application called UniLive. I personally joined UniLive back in January this year, 2025, and since then it has completely shifted my perspective. Today, UniLive has grown to over 1.5 million users worldwide and is still expanding fast. Hey, my name is Patrick. I'm a network marketer who is passionate about helping people grow online, connect global, and build real opportunities. And UniLive has been a total breakthrough for me. It's not just another social application. UniLive combines Web3, networking, and content creation all in one place. Here you can connect, share, learn, and even earn, unlike other social platforms where you scroll, like, or go live for free. UniLive actually pays you for doing the exact same things. That's right, all those habits you have been already built on social media, on UniLive they can actually pay you back. Now I get it. When you first hear about UniLive, it might sound a little bit confusing. That's exactly why I created this quick start guide below. It will walk you step by step through registering, logging in, and setting up your profile. So you are ready to go about this opportunity. And once you are set up, that's where the fun begins. You can join me every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, where I will show you how to use this UniLive, meet new people, and even unlock more of what this platform can do for you. So whether you are just a newbie in Web3 or you are very curious about Web3, these guides and my live session will help you get started without stress and confusion. If that sounds interesting, take a look around. Check these videos, check out these quick start steps. And when you are ready, just tap that join link. I'll be waiting for you on the other side. So welcome to UniLive, my friend. Let's grow together.